My mom had her hands full of blemishes and her best friend recommended this. I applied it and well. We all know that our hands are a really important part of our body. Thanks to them we can do any activity that occurs to us and things are made easier. However, it is the part of the skin that most has contact with the outside, which is quite reasonable that they are the main victims of certain imperfections in the skin. The constant use of our hands for everything is an important factor when it comes to protecting them. If we use our hands a lot for cleaning and to have contact with certain chemicals, our hands will always be affected if we do not take care of them properly. We should also be aware that we always have to wash them, since bacteria and microorganisms tend to stay in our hands for a long time. Among the most common imperfections that appear in our hands are the following: wrinkles, blemishes, among others. If spots appear on the skin of your hands, it is time for you to know the recipe you need to tackle the problem. Besides that, it is quite simple to make and very economical. You do not need to spend large amounts of money in a store for a cream that may not serve much. Recipe for the face mask. What you will need for your preparation is the following: a spoonful of honey, a spoonful of yogurt, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a little bit of mouthwash. Preparation 1. It is quite simple. What you must do is to mix all the ingredients in a container until they are perfectly integrated and there is a smooth mixture. What you should do is apply this cream at night, then let it act for the next 15 minutes and remove. 2. After applying the mask, you will notice how your hands become more soft and delicate. It is important to know how to apply the mask and do it at night, because if the sun touches the skin with the mask on, the skin will stain due to lemon juice. Best of all, you will not have to spend a lot of money on products and beauty creams. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.